Our today's crime story is about an Egyptian rapist and serial killer of 30 children. Our story is about the rapist who raped young boys and most of them buried alive. The Egyptian rapist and serial killer, Ramadan Abdel Rahim Mansour, known as Al-Tawini, was born in 1980. He was an Egyptian street gang leader, also known as the Butcher of Garbia, and serial killer who raped and murdered at least 32 children within a period of 7 years, throughout several locations in Egypt, including Cairo, Alexandria, Caliubia, and Beni Suef. Most of his victims were aged between 10 to 14 years old. Ramadan Abdel Rahim Mansour left his home in Tanta, a town north of Cairo, and joined a street gang at an early age. Gang leaders taught him skills of survival, allegedly cutting him with razors when he made any mistakes. According to his confession, Ramadan Abdel Rahim Mansour soon, the Butcher of Garbia, learned the method of getting back at those who crossed him by raping them, and murdered anyone who threatened him, to go to the police afterwards. One of the victims, a 12-year-old boy Ahmed Nagy, had been a member of Mansour's gang. When Mansour tried to sexually assault him, Nagy reported him to the police, and Mansour was arrested, but was released for lack of evidence. Soon after, Ramadan Abdel Rahim Mansour raped and murdered Nagy in retaliation. Ramadan Abdel Rahim Mansour frequently traveled between Cairo and Alexandria by train. He felt safer in Alexandria because it had fewer police officers. The Vice Department of Borg El Arab police station in Alexandria started keeping a profile on him during this time. Mansour and his gang members lured street children onto the carriage roof of the trains, where they then stripped, raped and tortured them, and tossed them naked onto the track side, dead or barely alive. Some of the children were dumped into the Nile, or buried alive. Ramadan Abdel Rahim Mansour alias the Butcher of Garbia and his gang's crimes came to light in 2006, when 2 of his gang members were arrested, and Ramadan Abdel Rahim Mansour acquired the nickname Al-Tawini, meaning express train, from his favorite location for the crimes. Soon after the arrest of the serial killer, some products in Egypt were being named after Mansour's nickname, Al-Tawini. Many restaurants in Mansour's hometown, Tanta, started selling a so-called Al-Tawini sandwich, allegedly in demand by young locals. Sheep merchants gave the name, Al-Tawini, to the large-size lamb priced at more than 2,000 Egyptian pound. Some tuk-tuk drivers named their vehicles Al-Tawini, to attract customers. According to reports, the strangest such marketing ploy was that of owners of supermarkets and communications centers in Tanta were renaming their businesses Al-Tawini. After the arrest, Mansour told the prosecutors that he was possessed by a female jinn, who commanded him to commit the crimes. Ramadan Abdel Rahim Mansour, along with his accomplice Farag Samir Mahmoud, also known as Hanata, were convicted and sentenced to death by the criminal court in Tanta in 2005. He was executed in 2010. For more crime investigation reports and serial killers documentaries, kindly don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Thank you for watching this video.